Hello, students. Ms. Alicia is going to do least common multiple with you today using prime factorization. So what we did today in class, okay? So least common multiple, we're not going to find it the way you found it in the past. We're going to find least common multiple using prime factorization. So let me look in your book and see what's a good example to do. I think 6 and 8 is a really good example. So let's try 6 and 8. So the first thing you're going to do is find the prime factorization of 6 and the prime factorization of 8. So 6, if I break it down, the two factors for 6 is 3 times 2, okay? For 8, two factors for 8 is 4 times 2. But my 4 is a composite number. That means that I have other factors for 4 besides 4 and 1. So it can also be 2 times 2. So my factors for 6 is 3 and 2. Okay, my prime factors for 6 is 3 and 2. My prime factors for 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So I'm going to circle my factors so that I can clearly see my factors. Now I'm going to make my Venn diagram. One circle for 6, one circle for 8. Now what I'm going to do is to make it a little more clearer, I'm going to make a circle for 6 in black, and I will make a circle for 8 in red. So this circle represents the 8, and this circle represents the 6. Now you look at your prime factorization, you say, what two factors, prime factors, do you have in common? And in this case, we have 2's in common. So I'm going to put the number 2 in the center, okay? Because that 2 belongs to the 6 and it belongs to the 8. So I'm going to cross out 2's because I just added a 2 to the 6 circle and I added a 2 to the 8 circle. They're sharing the 2. Now I know I have a 3 left here, so I'm going to bring down my 3. First of all, I don't see anything else that they're sharing. They're not sharing another 2 and they're not sharing a 3. So I'm going to bring down my 3. And I have 2 2's here, and I'll bring down both 2's. So if I look at my 8, I'm going to circle the 8. I can see that I have 2 times 2 times 2. The same as here, 2 times 2 times 2. Now I'm going to circle the 6. This is my 6. Prime factors of my 6, 3 and 2. Okay? Now all I have to do is multiply these prime factors to get my least common multiple. Okay? So I'm going to write them at the top. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So my answer is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And 12 times 2 is 24. So the least common multiple for 6 and 8 is 24. Okay? So this is what we did today in class. Please watch this video over and over and over again. Ask me questions every day because we want to make sure that we do very well on this PARCC assessment that's coming up. It is a new test, a little bit different than NJS, and it's on the computer. So we want to make sure we use the computer as much as possible. We want to look at these videos over and over again and practice every single video. Make sure that you know the videos like the back of your hand. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.